Hello. We are going to learn how can we pronounce the sound C. As I told you before that sound C has many different sounds, okay? The first sound is hard C. Hard C, we pronounce it k, 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 k. So when the C sound here, hard C followed by A, O, or U, we pronounce it k, okay? K, k, k. As in cat, cut, cut, okay? As in cat, cut, cut. That's okay? Let's see about soft C. Soft C. When can we pronounce soft C? Soft C as the sound of S, okay? When the sound soft C followed by E or I or Y, we pronounce it C. As in face, city, cycle, okay? As in face, city, cycle. That's okay? We have here the sound sh of C, okay? So we have also the third sound of C is sh. The same thing as sh when you say quiet someone, okay? For example, like ocean, financial, special, precious, okay? So when the C sound has two or more vowels, we pronounce it as sh, okay? Like ocean, financial, special, and precious. That's okay? But we have here an exception. For example, conceal, okay? Let's see when can we say silent C. Also, we have here silent C as scissors, muscle, crescent, and endment. So the C here is silent. So when the S followed by C, we make the C silent and just pronounce the S sound as in scissors, muscle, crescent, endment. And also here the C followed by T, so we pronounce it silent. We don't pronounce it. We pronounce this word as endment. See you soon. Bye.